Now we're going to make our caraway dumplings. We have a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That will help the dumplings to puff up and rise. We need 1/2 cup of cornmeal. More than a half. Going to need a tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to need 1 3/4 cup of cream. There we go. And then we're going to season this liberally with salt and pepper. And let's stir that up. It's going to make a nice batter. We're going to stir this up and let it rest. And then when we come back, we're going to shred our chicken and strain our stock.